In this video, I'll show you how to create a text dispersion effect in Canva. So let's get started. All right, first add the text or letter that you want to convert. Make it bigger so it's easier to work with. Now go to Fonts and choose a font that fits your design. I'll use Lolita 1 for this example. Next, place the text to the right side like this. Now go to Elements, search for Black Fade, open Graphics, and insert this one. Rotate it to 90 degrees, then resize it and place it on the left side of the letter so it looks like a natural part of the text. Once it's placed, select both the text and the fade element, make them a bit bigger, and align everything to the center. Now click on Share and download this design. After that, add a new page and insert the downloaded image. Crop the extra area and make it bigger. Next, we need to split this image into two parts like this. So now we have the faded area and the main letter separated. Now we'll convert this faded area into a dispersion effect. For that, we need to install a free app. Go to Apps, search for Slice, and open it. Once it opens, select Minced and adjust the settings however you like. Then click on Save to apply the effect. Now download this. Add new page and insert the newly downloaded image. Next, we want to insert an image inside this design. For that, we'll use another app. Go to Apps, search for Image Blender, and open it. I've already made tutorials about this app on the channel, but for this video, we'll use the blending mode feature. Select the image, choose Screen Mode, and then select any image you want to insert. As you can see, the image is now blended into the text design. You can adjust the strength to make it softer or sharper. Once you're done with the customization, click on Save to apply it. And that's how you can create a text dispersion effect in Canva. Try it out and experiment with different combinations to make it even better. Also, check the description for the Image Blender app link.